Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to select all photos in Google Photos on your Android device. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now you need to be in the photos. If you are in collection or in search, just tap at the photos. Now, as you can see, this photo select by a days. So there's no button to select all photos, but we can make something. So firstly, click at these three dots near to you to a day, and right here tap at the months, and now it's sorted by months. Also I recommended to enable stack similar photos. And now what we can do, you can press and hold at the first photos, and now drag your finger down. But this one is not the best option. Better option right here, we can click at this icon and select all photos what we made in this month. And then we just scroll down and select another months. And now we can select all of the photos. You need to also check if you select all photos in the previous month. So yeah, and you just scroll down and select all of this. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!